Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Dress, oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band, and make the fireflies dance. Silver moon sparkling, so kiss me. Kiss me down by the broken tree house. Swing me up on its hanging time. Bring your flowered hat. We'll take the trail marked on your father's map. Oh.
Happy birthday, Tita Love. Kiss you.
Hi, Tita Love Love.
Happy birthday! Good luck sa imo journey sa Hawaii. We will pray for your safety there and God bless. Enjoy there. Again, happy birthday!
Sana all.
all gihapon.
Happy birthday, Tita Love! Happy birthday, Tita Love! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tita Love!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, love. Wishing all the best, especially sa imong new journey. Happy birthday, tita. Enjoy your day. I wish you all the best and take care sa imong pag-travel pohon. Yun lang, again, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ter. Unta tagaan pa ka sa Ginoonan. Taas-taas pa na kinabuhi. Healthy og safety kanunay. God bless sa imo new journey na tahakon. Amping kaw kanunay og ampo sab kanunay. Happy birthday.
Hello, Tibing. So, happy birthday and wishing you the best. Ingat sa journey mo and always wishing you for the best in life.
Hi, Ate Bing. Hi, Kat, Kuya, Pepper, and to the in-laws and the kids. Mahimo daw ako ng video para kay Ate Bing Bing. Happy birthday! I wish you good health, peace of mind, and happiness, and all the wealth, abundance. Congratulations for making it to. Congratulations for getting a teaching job in the US. Congrats! I'm happy for you. Ano pa? Lisod mag-OFW, so prepare yourself for some adjustments. Every time na mingaon ka or you feel down, always remember na ang rason na nangayaw ko ngayon ha. Okay. See you in Hawaii!
Happy birthday, Bing. May this special day of yours a beginning to a happier and more fruitful life. I know God has truly blessed you. But then again, wish na ko sa imo, Bing, na whatever is your dreams, kung ano man ugalan ang imo mga pangandoy sa imo kinabuhi, imo pangandoy para sa imo family, and labi na ani mo pangandoy sa imo mga anak na hinauton ta imo makabot uban sa mga panalangin o grasya sa Ginoo. And also being whatever difficulty, whatever challenges that you might encounter, I wish na ang Ginoo kanunay magauban kanimo. Being always know like imo gid timan-an na I am always grateful and thankful na ikaw ang ako amiga, and always remember na kung uno man ako kuman, whatever I am today is a testament, makailak sa kita, a testament of your generosity and your selflessness. Hibaw ko gayud being na you are one of the reason kung na nga ini ako kuman. Salamat kadayaw. Siguro kung wala ka mamit na ako, I don't know kung uno ka anak life kuman. And salamat gid kadayaw being, and sorry sab kun sorry kadayaw sa mga pain na ako na-cause sa imo. Sorry gid kadayaw being, and then wish isab na ako being na as you mingawid ako sa imo being, and as you embark with your new teaching journey in the US, manghinaot isab ako being na more opportunities, more meaningful experiences sa nimo maagihan ngadto sa US, and musunod na gayud ako being wala pang magpakaligon ka na take 3 na kayo ni. Happy birthday Bing, and good luck sa imo journey. Ingat ka always, pero I know di ko pasagdan ng Ginoo kay hibaw gayud ako kung uno ka gayud ka devoted sa iya. Ako ini da magpaluyo whatever kung ano imo problem ya imo family yaon ako anytime pwede na ka mo tawag. Same sa ako na kung una ako mga problema anytime sa bako sa imo maka air out na ako mga problema, and then yaon ka always. So again, good luck sa imo journey. God bless and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma. Thank you for being the best mom I could ever ask for. I'm really grateful to have you in my life. Please stay healthy and safe always. I love you, Mom.
Hi Ma, happy birthday. Thank you for everything you have done for us and wishing you all the best in life. Have a safe sky papuntang US. I love you.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama B. Ayan, una sa lahat, have a safe trip, and then, syempre, ang tawag dito, it's a long journey and new journey din sa'yo, lalo na yung goal natin na, syempre yung end goal natin na makapunta pa rin na Australia. So, yun lang, God bless you, and lagi lang tayong mag-chat kasi mahirap na masanay tayo na hindi nakakapag-usap. So, yun lang. Mamimiss ka namin ni Harald. Wala na si Mama Bing na maghuhugas ng puwet.
Always remember ate, if things get tough, always think of family.
Tama. And pray lang talaga tayo kasi si Lord lang nakakalam ng pwedeng mangyari. Bye-bye! Happy birthday! Say bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Mama Bing. Love you. Happy birthday, Ate.
Happy birthday, ate. Thank you sa lahat. Tapos, mag-iingat ka sa pupuntahan mo sa Hawaii. Good luck sa'yo dun. Tsaka, keep in touch. We love you.
Thank you, Ate. Happy birthday. All the best in you and to your family. And good luck sa magiging new journey mo sa Hawaii. Kuya,
Yun. Tapos, mag-ingat ka lagi doon. Tapos, lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo na dapat everyday merong communication sa family para yung mga bata hindi ka ganun ka ma-miss. Yun lang, be strong, tsaka huwag ka masyadong ma-homesick doon. Kayang-kaya mo doon as much as kung paano mo nakaya dito sa Pilipinas, lahat na mapagsubok, kakayanin mo din yan pagdating dyan sa US. Yun lang. Thank you so much. Happy trip. We love you. Happy birthday.
God bless, ate.
God bless. Bye-bye. Kitty. Bye-bye, Mama B. Kuya. Bye-bye.
Ingat kayo sa Hawaii.
Birthday, Tita Lovell! Happy trip! Naway ingatan ka ng Panginoon Gang at samahan ka lagi ng Panginoon sa iyong bagong journey at pagpalain ka kasama ng iyong pamilya. Malayo ka man sa kanila pero malapit din kasi may mga videos na ngayon pero naway matupad ang lahat ng mithiin mo sa buhay at the desires of your heart. God bless.
Huwag mong alalahanin yung mga anak mo, lalo kapag nakalipat na kayo dito. Ako lang bahalang magtingin sa kanila. Alagaan. Ayun lang. Happy trip, Lovell.
Bye-bye. God bless.
God bless.
See you in 2 years.
Happy birthday advance sa July 8. Sana maayos yung pag-alis mo at saka masaya ka dun sa pupuntahan mo. Ingat palagi. Mahal ka namin ni Papa mo. Happy trip.
Happy birthday, Bing! Advance! And happy trip. Ingat sa sarili mo. Ingat rin doon sa trabaho mo. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Maraming salamat.